Today we're going to be making a rollout for Sofaygo. So what I'm going to be making is just a cover, a tour poster, and also a visualizer just to top it all off. So for the album I made about 4 covers, but this was the only one that I actually liked, and this was the easiest one to make. I feel like the picture is just perfect for an album, and when I put the textures on, the shadows, the lighting, everything just came together. I was just like, yeah, that's the one. So moving on with the tour poster, I haven't really made posters, so I just wanted to, do something different. That's why I'm doing this rollout, just to kind of step outside my box. But yeah, I took a bit of inspiration from the lmkkkk tour that Sofaygo is on. So for the text, I kind of used like this zombie type look, which I think is perfect for the aesthetic that I made with the cover. So now we're going into my favorite part of this video, which is the visualizer, just because I just haven't made one in the past. I've dabbled a bit with After Effects, but really I just didn't know what I was doing. So using my very basic knowledge of keyframes and different effects, I was able to make a simple, very simple now. And by simple I mean really simple, like a basic visualizer. Just with blurs, a bit of a shake with the rotation, a little wave effect I put on it. So if you guys want more videos like this where it's kind of just like a voiceover of what I'm doing with speed out in the back, comment down below, because I'm going to be doing both kind of short and long form videos. So I'm going to leave the visualizer at the end of the video if you guys want to stick around for that. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, follow my IG. I'm going to leave it up on screen here. And yo.
Step in the kitchen.
Rain J, what's up, nigga? Golden. I got niggas that'll do something to it. Holding. She holding on to my love. It's funny how the tables turn. It's funny how these bridges burn. Late night creeping, late night creep. I had to realize these niggas ain't nothing like me. Thanking God for these racks before I go to sleep. But that nigga falling off, he ain't about his business. If I put this B&B, I'ma put your main hoe in it. And the boy can't flex like me, that nigga ain't about his fitness. Hey, she complaining all the time, she hate the way I'm living. I got tunnel vision, I only got one mission. Why you wanna waste my time, bitch, get out my mentions. We're gonna be alright, long as you keep your distance. Baby, you look puzzled, I'm not the one you missing. Me and that nigga ain't